Welcome TYBSc student. MCQ of Method of Real Analysis MTH 362 video number 1. This is video for online examination of TYBSc Mathematics student. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. First MCQ, every sequence is a function from dash dash dash. Means every sequence is a function from dash dash to, means what is domain of function? What is domain of function? Domain of function is a natural number n, means answer is C option n. Second MCQ, this sequence 1 upon n varies from 1 to infinity, converges to n varies from 1 to infinity, and this is 1 upon n, means this is a decreasing sequence. This sequence decreases to 0, means this sequence is converges to 0. So answer is B option 0. Next, third MCQ, the limit of sequence with an equal to 1 upon n as n tends to infinity is. Limit of this sequence as n tends to infinity. So limit n tends to infinity of an equal to limit n tends to infinity of 1 upon n, and limit of 1 upon n is 1 upon infinity, and 1 upon infinity is 0, means answer is B option 0. Fourth one, this sequence with xn equal to a raised to n is convergent if dash dash dash. Sequence whose nth term is a raised to n is convergent if. Answer is C option mod a less than 1. Convergent if mod a less than 1, means value of n is less than 1, then this sequence is convergent. Answer is C option mod a less than 1. 5. If the sequence of real number xn, n varies from 1 to infinity, is convergent. If this sequence is convergent, then it is option A bounded, option B non-bounded, option C infinite, option D none of these. We know that every convergent sequence is bounded, so answer is A option bounded. Next, 6. If the sequence of real number is convergent, then it is converges to dash dash dash. A option unique limit, B option different limit, C option 1, and D option infinity. If sequence of real number is convergent, then it is converges to option A unique limit. Option A is unique limit. Next, 7. The sequence minus 1 raised to n plus 1, n varies from 1 to infinity, is dash dash dash. Convergent, divergent, oscillatory, or none of these. Here put the value of n is 1. So this become 1 plus 1 2. So minus 1 square is plus 1. n is 2, so 2 plus 1 3, minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. Mean this sequence is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Mean this sequence is oscillatory sequence. So answer is C option oscillatory sequence. 8. A non-decreasing sequence which is bounded is dash dash is convergent. A non-decreasing sequence which is bounded is convergent. Means bounded above, bounded below, are both side bounded, or none of these. We know that bounded sequence is convergent, means bounded both side. If the sequence is bounded both side, then is convergent. So answer is C option both side. 9th, the sequence of real number xn, n varies from 1 to infinity, is monotonic if and only if it is monotonic increasing, monotonic decreasing, C option both monotonic increasing and decreasing, D option either monotonic increasing or decreasing. The sequence of real number is monotonic. Monotonic means either monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing. Both not possible. Answer is D option either monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing. Next, number 10. If the sequence n varies from 1 to infinity is convergent, then limit n tends to infinity of an is equal to 0. Answer is A option 0. If the sequence n varies from 1 to infinity is divergent, If the sequence is divergent, limit n tends to infinity, an equal to either infinity or minus infinity. C option, infinity or minus infinity. 12. The sequence 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n varies from 1 to infinity, converges to. Sequence 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n varies from 1 to infinity, converges to. Limit of this term is e. So answer is B option E. 13. Let the sequence xn, n varies from 1 to infinity, converges to L. The sequence converges to L, and xn k varies from 1 to infinity is any subsequence of xn, n varies from 1 to infinity, then this subsequence dash must be converges to same limit L, or may be converges to different limit, may be divergent, none of these. Answer is A option, must be converges to same limit L. Answer is A option, must be converges to same limit L. 14. If 0 less than x less than 1, then sequence xn, n varies from 1 to infinity, converges to 0, converges to 1, diverges to infinity, or diverges to minus infinity. Answer is A option, converges to 0. Next, 15. Let fn x equal to x raised to n for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 for all n belong to I. Then the sequence of function fn, n varies from 1 to infinity. Option A, converges uniformly. B option, converges pointwise. C option, diverges. D option, none of these. Fn x raised to n means x raised to n varies from 1 to infinity, converges pointwise. Next, 16. Let fn x is equal to sin x upon n for n less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, means n and x both are less than 1 for all n belong to I. Then the subsequence of function fn x, n varies from 1 to infinity, is converges uniformly to 0, converges pointwise to 0, diverges to infinity, none of these. Answer is A option, converges uniformly to 0. Next, number 17. If the sequence fn, n varies from 1 to infinity, converges uniformly to fx on AB, and fn belong to Rab for all n belong to I, then integration a to b fx dx is dash. Integration a to b fx dx is, answer is B option, limit n tends to infinity, integration a to b fn x dx, B option. Next, 18. Let fn x equal to x raised to n upon n for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 for all n belong to I. Then the sequence of function fn x, n varies from 1 to infinity, dash. Option A, converges uniformly to 0. Option B, converges pointwise to 0. Option C, converges uniformly to 1. Option D, diverges to infinity. Answer is option A, converges uniformly to 0. Next, 19. The geometric series 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot is convergent if geometric series is convergent if mod x less than 1. If common ratio, mod x means common ratio less than 1, then the series is convergent. Answer is A option, mod A less than 1. 20. The geometric series 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot means again geometric series is converges to 1 upon 1 minus x if and only if. Answer is same option, option A, mod x less than 1. 21. If the series sigma n varies from 1 to infinity an equal to a1 plus a2 plus dot is convergent, then which of the following series is also convergent? If sigma n is convergent, then which of the following is convergent? Option A is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus dot. Here a1 is missing, so this is not answer. Second one, B, 1 half a1 plus a2 plus 1 half a2 plus a3 plus 1 half a3 plus a4. Here a2 2 times and a1 is 1 half time, so this is not also answer. C option is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5 plus a6 plus dot. Same term are here, so answer is C option. Answer is C option, a1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 plus dot 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 is the answer. 22. The series of the type sigma n varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n plus 1 an equal to A1 then minus A2 plus A3 minus A4 plus dot 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 is called dash type. Oscillatory series, alternating series, power series are none of the above. This series is called as alternating series because alternate plus minus sign, so answer is B option, alternating series. 23. If the series sigma n varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n plus 1 an, if this series is converges to L belong to R, means alternating series converges to L belong to R, then for any k belong to I, mod of sk minus L is less than or equal to. Sk means sum of the n term, sk means sum of n term minus L less than or equal to ak plus 1. Answer is D option, ak plus 1. Next, 24. The infinite series sigma n varies from 1 to infinity an is said to be converges absolutely if and only if this series is said to be converges absolutely if and only if. Absolute convergence means mod n sigma n varies from infinity mod n converges. Answer is B option, sigma n varies from 1 to infinity mod n converges. 25. Which of the following statement is true? A option, every absolute convergence series is convergent. Every convergent series is absolutely convergent. Series converges absolutely if and only if it is converges, and D option, all the above. Answer is A option, every absolute convergent series is convergent. This statement is true. 26. If the series sigma n varies from 1 to infinity an is said to be converges absolutely and Pn equal to maximum of an0, Qn equal to minimum of an0, then A option, only sigma Pn converges, B option, only sigma Qn converges, C option, both sigma Pn and sigma Qn converges, both sigma Pn and sigma Qn converges, diverges. Answer is C option, sigma Pn and sigma Qn converges, converge. Next, 27. If the series sigma n varies from 1 to infinity Bn is rearrangement series of sigma n varies from 1 to infinity an and sigma n varies from 1 to infinity n converges, then A option, sigma Bn must be convergent, B option, sigma Bn is divergent, C option, sigma Bn may or may not converges, and D option, none of these. Answer is C option, sigma Bn may or may not converges because sigma Bn is rearrangement series of sigma an. So sigma Bn is may or may not converges. 28. If sigma n varies from 1 to infinity an is a series of non-negative terms which converges to A, sigma n converges to A, and sigma Bn is rearrangement series of sigma n, then sigma Bn, A option also converges to A, B option converges in neighborhood of A, C option converges to A square, D option may be divergent. Answer is A option also converges to A. Answer is A option also converges to A. 29. The auxiliary series sigma n varies from 1 to infinity 1 upon n raised to p, means this is called as p series, is equal to 1 upon 1 raised to p, 1 upon 2 raised to p, 1 upon 3 raised to p plus dot 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 converges if and only if p less than 1, p greater than 1, p equal to 1, none of these. This series is converges if and only if. Answer is B option, p greater than 1. Answer is B option, p greater than 1. 30. Which of the following series is convergent? Which of the following series is convergent? Sigma 1 upon root n, sigma 1 upon n, sigma 1 upon n square, all of these. Now we know P series is convergent if P greater than 1. Here 1 upon root n means n raised to 1 half, means P is 1 half. 1 half is not greater than 1. Here is series 1 upon n means p is equal to 1 means p is not greater than 1. Here series is 1 upon n square means p equal to 2. 2 is greater than 1 means this series is convergent. So answer is C option, sigma 1 upon n square. 31. We say that the series sigma n is dominated by sigma bn if and only if. The series sigma n is dominated by sigma bn if and only if. Answer is C option, mod n less than or equal to mod bn for all n greater than or equal to capital N. 32. This series sigma n varies from 1 to infinity 1 upon n square plus 2n plus 1 is option A convergent, B divergent, C neither convergent nor divergent, and D oscillatory. Answer is here this is a P series and P equal to 2, 2 greater than 1, so this series is convergent, so answer A convergent. 33. Which of the following series is divergent? Option A sigma n varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 half raised to n, sigma 1 half raised to n, sigma 3 by 4 raised to n, and sigma 1 raised to n. This series sigma 1 raised to n is divergent. Sigma 1 raised to n is divergent. Answer is D option. 34. If an equal to n raised to n upon n factorial, then an plus 1 upon n equal to an is n raised to n upon n factorial. So an plus 1 is n plus 1 raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 factorial and upon n raised to n upon n factorial is equal to, answer is C option, 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n. Answer is C option, 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n. Dear friend, subscribe the channel and share to our friend. Thank you.